The third Sohra International 2024 will be held on September 21st in Sohra, featuring categories such as 21K Elite Open, 21K Open and 10K races across various age groups, along with a 5K run for fun. The race will start at Lightsoplia Mokdok Bridge and finish at Nongske Tiang Falls Viewpoint, Mausmai. With a record 7,000 participants and 7 international athletes from Kenya, Ethiopia and Bangladesh, the event's budget stands at Rs 2 crore 3 lakhs. The event is organized by the Meghalaya Athletics Association, Meghalaya State Olympic Association and the state government's sports department and is sanctioned by the Athletics Federation of India.